Morning students. I am Satbir Singh, computer teacher Agarsen Public School. In continuation with our previous videos on computer virus, I welcome you in our computer class. Today we will discuss about the lesson which we have left in last videos. Just I have discussed with you about what is computer virus, what are types of it, what are examples of computer virus, symptoms of computer virus, sources of virus, and the effects of viruses on your computer. How does they affect you on your computers differently? Now we are talking about its remedy, that is known as antivirus software. Since you know very well, the computer viruses are the small programs which are designed for the malicious functions into your computer. They do lot of harm to the computer users. Today I will explain you in detail what is computer virus and how we can prevent our computer systems from the viruses. First of all, computer virus, it is a small software which is also known as the utility softwares. These are the programs which are designed to scan our computer, detect viruses from the computer and remove them so that a user can do their work efficiently and can store them for the future use without any threats. So these are the programs which can be utilized to prevent our system from the viruses. The functioning of the antivirus is that it will scan the viruses from your computer. If it finds, it will give you the message and then will ask you, do you want to repair the damaged file or you want to quarantine it? After your response, it will do the specific action on that infected file. There are different types of computer viruses which are available in the market today, like Norton antivirus, McAfee antivirus, AVG, Quick Heal, Guardians, Avira antivirus, etc. These are the antivirus which are popular in the market, but else of these there are lot of, depending upon the money, how much you want to spend on these, you can purchase them and you can install them into your computers. After this, if you show that you have installed an antivirus into your system, and you will be safe. Any antivirus software do not guarantee you 100% that it will prevent your system from the viruses. It also depends upon you that what are the different measures which you are following for accessing different type of files, or you are using different storage medias, or you are downloading different files from the internet. So like that, you can prevent your system in the following ways. First of all, do not start a computer with removable media inserted in your computer. It means that suppose if you are using a pen drive, a CD, or any other removable storage device into your system, then do not start your system when it is inserted into the computer. The second important thing is that update the antivirus software regularly. Why it is required? Because if you have installed an original software, the company will also provide you its updates. Why updates are required? Because the new definition for the new viruses are coming day by day. If you will not update your antivirus, your old version of antivirus do not detect the new updated definition of the viruses. So it becomes necessary to update your antivirus software for its actions that it can work properly to remove out the updated the viruses. Next is that scan your computer with antivirus software once a week. Suppose if any file has been got a malicious function, then you should be asked to scan your computer by the installed antivirus software so that it can repair it or it can remove it. Next is that do not open an attachment of an email which you have received from unknown person, because any unknown person can send you a tentative software which can just tempt you that it is very useful in the form of different greeting cards or the games, but in actual they are not the same thing which you have been shown. It can be a virus. Do not open it. Do not use infected disk on your computer. Infected disk means if once computer has a virus, you have used your disk into that system, and you are after that you are using it into your system, then it can also contain a virus, and that virus can enter into your system. Do not use pirated or distributed softwares. It is very alarming that if you are getting a copy of a software or a game from your friend or a relative, it can be a duplicate software which may contain different viruses. When your friend or relative write that software into the disk, and the viruses can also be written into it, when you will install it, the viruses can be entered into your system. Next, do not download the files from the unknown sources. If you do not know the proper about a website or source on the internet, you should not download the softwares or any other thing from the internet. Next is that always scan your disk before use it. Suppose if you have get a pen drive or CD or any other disk that contain a backup files, or you want to write into it some programs or files, then you need to scan it first from the antivirus software. By doing this, that you can remove the virus which are available on that disk, that can be removed and it will be safer for you. But the most important thing is that whenever you are downloading the files, whenever you are opening the attachments, or you are using a pen drive, you must scan them first before using it. So we can say that if we are following the different measures that can help us to remove, or we can be prevented from the viruses. So you are required to do the things for the safe use of your computers. Now it is the end of the chapter. After the end of the chapter, I will give you the assignments which you are to write on your notebooks and answer them, and these can be checked when you will come to the school. So what are these? You can note down into your notebooks and please write it now. The very first is that what is the computer virus? Second, why do we use antivirus softwares? What is boot sector virus? Fourth one, write about the sources of virus. Fifth, how does email virus spread? Sixth, what is ransomware virus? Seventh, right precautions that should be taken to prevent your computer from the virus. So these are the assignments which you are to prepare, and if you want to any help or any query, then you can send me that query on the WhatsApp on my same number, which will be given to you in the different groups that you can send or you can ask. Thank you and thanks a lot.